Now we add an egg.
Wow, Mum.
We give it a little stir.
OK. Splish, splash, splosh. That could have been a bit more splashy.
Next, we put the mixture into the cake tin.
It looks really yummy. It looks really yummy. Delicious.
Yummy.
These cakes are the best. And Mrs. Elf didn't even use any magic.
Thank you, Holly. I think it's your stirring that made all the difference.
So, what have we got?
Bread, milk, flour, poppy seeds.
Poppy seed?
1, 2, 3. Bread, please. Thank you, Duck.
What's that, Sarah?
Baking powder for
Ah, to make it grow.
flour.
Enough? Some sugar?
Sugar.
Sweet, sweet.
Hour.
And cook me for an hour.
Hello.
Oh,
Happy birthday, Cake.
thank you.
Happy birthday.
Pig is at work. We can get all his birthday surprises ready. First, we'll make Daddy's birthday cake. We start with butter and sugar and flour. Then we add an egg. And most important of all, the chocolate bits.
Mummy Pig is making a chocolate cake. Daddy Pig loves chocolate cake.
I give it a stir.
Mummy, can I stir?
Yes, Pepper.
Pepper loves stirring. George wants a go.
OK, George, that's enough stirring. There, Daddy Pig's chocolate cake.
Hooray!
Now, we just have to bake it in the oven.
Mummy, can I lick the spoon?
Yes, you can lick the spoon and George can lick the bowl.
Yippee!
Pepper and George love chocolate cake mixture.
Poor Daddy Pig. Hey, Daddy Pig.